y'all, it's Josh with Chamberlain's Portable Welding. I'm going to show y'all a rundown of this Morbark 4600 grinder floor that we just finished up on. This turned out to be quite a big job. We're going to post a lot of before, during, and after pictures in this video, so make sure you watch to the end. Also, today is Saturday. My daughter got to come and help me, so I let her do a lot of welding on top of the floor while I did some cutting and fitting on other plates, getting ready for them to roll. But before we start the video, y'all see I got a new jacket on. We did a collaboration with Western Welding Outfitters. If you use my promo code, and I'll put it in this link, it's just my last name, Chamberlain, you can get 15% off of these welding jackets. A lot of people asking what welding jackets I've been wearing. I've used Wrangler FR jackets. This is a thin cotton jacket, so I wear this during the summertime. This is my winter jacket. It's a really heavy jacket. Good jackets, but it's been heat index around 105, 110 this week. Been wearing this jacket. It feels good. I don't burn up in it. We've done a ton of overhead welding on the bottom of this floor, and this is when these jackets come in handy. It's to protect you from slag coming down on top of it. Either way, check them out. So far, probably got about 30 hours on it. It's been a good jacket, and I would recommend this product. We're just gonna go do a walk around of this grinder we did and give y'all the inside of how we fixed it. All right, thank y'all. All right, so we're gonna go underneath first. I'll kind of point out, show you what we did and how the factory had it and what we changed different to beat this thing up. So this floor should outlast this grinder for sure. So from the factory, you did not have these center tubes here. We added this. These cross tubes that they did have was like 1/4 inch thick. We went back with 1/2 inch thick tubing. We added the 2x2 tubing on the sides to help support the floor. And the issue they was having was without these cross or middle braces, the floor was caving in. So we narrowed all that out. We put all this in. Everything's welded up underneath. Your cross members here, we did 12 to 14 inches. We did like 10-inch welds going down the center and same. Okay, so on the inside from the factory, this floor plate right here was 1/4 inch. We went back with 3/8 plate here. This is AR 400 1/4 inch plate. This is where your chains will ride. So this plate right here will protect your base floor plate. And we added 1x1 square stock for chain guides to keep your chains from smacking into each other. This is, I think, 17 foot long. When we first put this plate down to fill in the gaps we had down the side, it took 3 or 4 passes to get it flush. And then of course 16 or 17 foot passes all the way down on each plate you see, plus the 1x1 square stock. I let my daughter do a bunch of this welding while I did cutting and fitting on other things underneath. We hard faced the middle head, the sides, the throat. We got all that hard face. So this turned out to be a pretty big job, but it turned out good. And then of course I'm going to show the videos of during and before and after. Other than that, westernwelderoutfitters.com. Promo code will be my last name, Chamberlain. Get 15% off jackets. Go in there, check them out, see what you want, and get you some stuff ordered. We always appreciate y'all watching. Thank y'all.